today?
Mars Rover,
What do we need for that?
a solar panel,
Okay, a solar panel.
Mars body,
That's the body. Okay.
face, 2 faces.
Okay.
Oh, I got 2 both at once. And
These are the wheel covers.
yep, those are the real colors.
Okay. What else do we need?
Tape,
Okay.
Elmer's glue,
Okay.
and skewers.
Skewers. Okay.
The stuff all the way, right? And scissors.
Scissors. And we also need a glue stick.
Yep.
And these 2 paper rolls.
Yeah.
Whoa, you got a big ruler here.
Yeah, we got short one right here.
Oh, okay.
So in case if we need both, it doesn't matter. And we also and don't forget we have skewers.
Okay.
We're
Sounds
interesting to
great.
know. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started. What do you have in your hand now?
Straws, my mom, you forgot it.
What do we do with the shoebox?
We're gonna cut it into we're gonna cut off the edges.
Okay. So we're gonna take it apart and cut the edges?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Like either this part or I think we're gonna use this part.
Okay. Good job. Are you cutting through the line?
Yeah.
Good. Well, what are you doing now?
I'm drawing the 12 wheel covers.
So we need 12 of them?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. I'll see you again once you're done, okay?
Okay. I drew my 12 circles.
Are you done drawing your 12 circles?
Yes. 6 plus 6 makes 12. Okay. So we're going to, we're going to body part now. We're going to cut along the black line and then we're going to cut from the duck all the way here to the top.
Okay, you got it? Or
Yeah.
do you need my help?
I think I got it.
Sounds great. I'll see you once you're done, okay?
Okay.
Are you done cutting it?
Yes.
What do we do next?
Now we just put it onto the paper. Now we just put the paper onto the paper and tape it up with some scotch tape.
Okay, can I help you with
Mama,
the tape while you're
yeah.
holding it?
Yep.
Okay, just like that?
I think, yeah.
Okay, let's finish this, okay?
Okay.
What do we do next?
Now we just wrap the paper around the wall and put 3 extra pieces of scotch tape. So we did the same thing with the other paper roll. Now we're gonna make the wheels. Just flatten it and cut along the line.
Okay.
My mom will help me.
Okay.
But please all try.
Good. Try, okay?
I don't think I can keep it flat.
I can help you.
Can you flatten it while I cut?
Sure.
Got the wheels. Now we've got the wheels. Now it's time to cut the wheel covers out.
Can I see the wheel covers? Whoa.
Whoopsie.
That's alright. Show me the wheels. Where are the wheels?
With them. Black line.
Oh, okay. So these are the wheels.
Yeah.
And those are the wheel covers. So we have to cut them all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Okay.
Is it okay if I got a little bit off?
Yeah, it's okay if you get a little bit off. You did a great job on that one.
Well, this is my first one.
Yeah.
Don't need to be perfect.
Yeah. Doesn't have to be perfect as long as you're having fun.
Yeah, I have lots of fun.
Good.
If you're not having fun, that's not okay.
That's right. Let me see. Perfect! That's awesome.
They look like a real color.
Yeah, keep doing the same thing for all 12, okay?
Okay.
So what is the next step, Sia?
I'm gluing one hubcap. I'm gluing one wheel cover to the hubcap.
Okay. I think you can put the paper down and then put the glue on it. So there you go. And then just glue it to the hubcap.
Yeah.
do the same thing with all of them?
Yep.
Okay.
Do I watch? I'm gonna show you the first one.
I love it.
Oops.
That's perfect.
Okay, I got a little off.
Oops. I think it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. So what's the next step, Sia?
Now I have to poke holes through the thing.
How do we do that? Can you show it to me?
This is how it looks.
Okay. So,
Let me take another hubcap, okay? Now. Oh my gosh.
in the center?
Yeah.
Okay.
It won't come. Whoa.
Can I help?
Yeah.
Okay.
So my mom poked the hole, and I'm going to take the skewer and put it in, and take it out.
So that'll make the hole bigger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do this.
So do we do that with all of these?
Yeah.
Okay.
The last one's done.
Okay.
Okay. Now we tape these two together.
Okay.
So we need some more scotch tape. So we put these two together. Now we're
Okay.
gonna measure this straw to 4. Not the bendy side, but the other side.
4 what? 4 centimeters or 4 inches?
4 inches.
Okay. Can you mark it off at the 4 inches?
With the pen.
Okay. Right there? Okay. And now do you cut it?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, cut this. It's kind of hard. Kind of hard to cut it.
Is it too hard?
Yeah. Oh, I think I got it.
There you go.
You just have to try some more.
Okay. Thank you. Do we do the same with the other 3?
Yep.
Okay.
So, after doing this,
Okay.
we put the hubcaps to the wheels using orange glue and scotch tape.
Okay. Do we have to leave them aside to dry or something?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's leave them aside. Okay. And then how many
I
skewers?
thought you said let's leave the room.
No. How many skewers do we need for the next step?
3 skewers.
Okay. Let's take 3 skewers then.
Okay, so we're gonna use these skewers and
Okay, you have to measure it to 6.5 inches. And then so is it ready? Almost, right? It's almost ready. Can you move it? Oh yeah. It does move. Now what's the next
watch
step?
out,
Sia?
move it very carefully.
Okay.
You're gonna cut along the black line because this is now moving the solar because it does not use gas on Mars.
So you're using the solar panel.
Yeah.
So are you gonna cut along the black line?
Yeah, but wait, first I want to show you how I make the solar panel for Mars Rover, okay?
Okay. And then are you gonna stick it to this cardboard there?
Yep, after I'm done with this stuff.
Okay. You're gluing the solar panel.
Yeah.
Putting some glue. Okay.
Oh no, I put my hand on the glue. I just put my hand on the edge.
That's alright. You're doing a great job.
What did I do?
Is it all glued properly?
I think it is.
Okay.
Stretched out, nice.
Okay.
It looks really good, like it has the blue thing like it has to. It looks very good. So now cut the top face and put it on the cardboard.
Okay, so you have to glue the top face on the cardboard, just like
On
the
this.
solar panel.
This thing.
Okay. Alrighty. Let's cut it and glue it.
I cut out the top face.
Okay. Now you're just gluing it.
Yeah. I think I almost got it.
Okay.
I I think I got it.
Okay, so what do we do next?
We do the same thing on the back.
Okay.
And then we tape the solar panel to the roller and the front and back to the
Rover?
roller.
Okay.
Hey!
Are you done?
Yeah?
How is it? What do you think?
Great. You see my hands are clean.
Yeah.
That's because I washed my hands.
Good. So, can you move it?
You think it can only stay there?
Mm-hmm. Can you move it? Wow! I love your
Even backwards.
Rover.
This way or that way.
I love it,
Whee!
Sia.
You can even push it. Whee!
Whoa! I'm so proud
Push
of
it
you.
Whee!
Very proud of you, Z.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for making it.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Bye.
But I'm gonna tell you something. It doesn't look perfect, but since I made it, I think my mom says it's more than that. Whoa! I hear the garage door thing.
Yeah, it is more than awesome, and you made it all by yourself. I'm so proud of you.
I think that could be probably Dad. I got one downstairs.
Okay, bye.
Bye. You know, this one.
Cool.
It's pretty cool.
We
Yeah.
love it, Sia.
You wear what you're gonna say, Zia? What does it say?
Just do it.
Good job.
You did it. You